Valentine's Day is coming up, so are you looking for a special dish that you could share with your sweetheart?
How about a Will You Be Mine Valentine's Day salad?
Chef Hunter Morton from the Max Resturant Group is here because he's going to show us the recipe. You can make this amazing salad at home, or he's got some great events coming up for Valentine's Day if you want him to make it.
Yeah, and everything looks so beautiful. Those blood red oranges, or what are those? Hunter?
Yep, exactly. You got it. We got some blood oranges, some sumo oranges.
What's a sumo orange? Because that looks like just a tangerine to me, but
right.
Sumo.
Not the prettiest thing on the outside, but they are so sweet, delicious.
Okay.
It's really kind of one of these new tangerines that they've come out with.
Oh, okay.
But they are really fun. So we got lots of
accoutrements.
Oui. Okay. So we're making this salad. We're doing a dinner over at Crystal Ridge on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, tell us about this. This is kind of like a farm to table, only it's in the winter time.
Yep, this is our second year. We did it last year. It was so much fun. It's really a couple's night up at Crystal Ridge. I don't know if you've been there up in Glastonbury.
I don't think I've ever been there, no.
So it's like a beautiful winery, right?
Beautiful. And
but you obviously this time of year will be indoors.
Correct, yep. And we always do it indoors. They have a great facility inside, great wines. We'll be pouring some of our Max cuvées, different wines, as well as Crystal Ridge. We're incorporating that into there as well. But this is, we're going to be doing an hors d'oeuvre reception for about an hour, and then we have the salad, some lobster soup, duck pasta,
and wow, that's really extravagant.
Oscar.
When
and then,
is this? I apologize.
So that's on Valentine's Day.
Oh, literally on Valentine's Day.
Very
yes, sir.
Nice.
Oh,
we don't have enough
restaurants.
Available? Yes, not a whole bunch. So really, guys.
Carrie, isn't Dennis working Valentine's night?
Well, kinda.
Well, then you'll be free.
You want to go? Won't you be mine? Or we can be the Be Mine salad and a sleep by 7. Okay, so then we're going to start with watercress.
Yeah, and this is some red watercress, but we're going to make our vinaigrette first.
Okay.
We have some nice local honey.
I love honey. I think it's one of my favorite ingredients.
You know, Scott and I are obsessed with the Max chopped salad. If we ever go out for special occasion,
Kara, I never knew that.
I know you know this, but do you know why? At least for me, why I'm so obsessed? Because you guys do all the work. You find out all these amazing ingredients. You chop them in these tiny little things. Like we would never do that. So this is kind of like one of those salads where you have really gone all out and put combinations together.
What is that? Pomegranate juice?
This is little pomegranate juice, and then this is pomegranate vinegar as well. So we're really reinforcing the whole pomegranate here.
Oh, wow.
If you don't have pomegranate vinegar in your cabinet, which I
doubt many people do, but
come on, this was right out of my cabinet.
And Hunter's cabinet, it exists.
It does. So a little bit of pomegranate vinegar. You could use red wine vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar. We're not going to judge here.
Okay.
Judge free zone for sure. Salt, fresh cracked pepper, a little olive oil. We're just going to emulsify into there.
Yep.
You want to pour?
Sure. Tell me when. A little bit, or
we'll just.
So you don't measure. What's the trick for knowing when you're done?
The recipe's on your website.
But if you're doing it at home and you don't want to measure,
it's really a 3-to-1 generally. Oil to vinegar. 3-to-1.
Okay.
So
that looks beautiful.
Nice and red. So we're going to put a little bit of this red watercress in here.
So rather than pouring it on, you put the vegetables in this dressing a little bit.
I do, yeah.
Okay.
You can do it either way.
Mm-hmm. Toss it.
Yep. And then we have so much, and then we always want to season, right? Season as we go.
Okay.
And then we have lots of fun things to dress.
I don't know about you, but my mouth is already watering.
I mean, this looks like a pretty incredible salad, and I can't wait to show. You've done some pretty amazing things with beets, too.
Right. We've, as usual. So we're going to...
Okay, you make it and you put it in like a little row.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, little salad.
And then we start with all of our fun things. So our sumo oranges in there, and then we got some blood oranges, and I cut them in different ways everywhere. So this is a blood orange.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Right?
That is just...
They're nice and sweet.
They're so pretty.
And
gorgeous.
And citrus, you know, so winter is actually citrus. Some pickled red onions.
And those are pretty easy to find at the supermarket nowadays. You can just buy them like in a jar or something.
100%. And then we got some pomegranate seeds.
Okay.
Spectacular.
Pistachio.
Oh, yum. Who doesn't love pistachio?
Right.
And then the beets, you've actually...
What's that?
This is some red carrots that I just kind of roasted.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
Red carrots, okay.
And then I like to roast my beets in vinegar, olive oil, a little bit of fresh thyme, bay leaf. And then, so I dice those. And then what we did is
You cut the hearts out
made
of the
some
beets. You cut beet hearts.
Speaking of hearts, I know you want to give a shout out. You've got your shirt about ending homelessness, and there's a big event that is close to your heart.
Yes, 100%. Friday night, there's a Journey Home Gala. Scott, you've been there before. You've emceed it. It's such a great night. It's going to be in the City Place.
And right in the City Place.
Right. Max Downtown is catering that whole event.
I think it's Sarah Solomon.
Sarah, exactly, and
Yes.
my wife Deb.
And yeah, that's right. Your wife Deb
put this together.
It helps
Absolutely.
end homelessness. Just to give people an idea, because you're going to run out of time
Right.
here. These are beet meringues. You made little meringues with
I
beet
did.
juice and made them look like little beets.
That's
Yeah,
so clever.
they're actually really super easy to make. It's really just egg whites, sugar, and then beet juice.
So fun.
I'm good, thanks.
Come on.
It's
No.
good. I tried one earlier.
Yeah,
It just tastes like
it's
air.
It's a beet.
Right, exactly.
No, it's a beet meringue. It's not real.
The Max Resturant Group is hosting a Valentine's Day dinner at Crystal Ridge Winery in South Glastonbury on Valentine's Day itself. You're going to find a link to buy tickets on betterct.com, or you can click the calendar page on maxrestaurantgroup.com.
Nice.
Thanks, Hunter. Always a pleasure.
Yes, and to see a list of Max Restaurant locations or to make reservations at any of their restaurants for Valentine's Day, just visit the website maxrestaurantgroup.com.